Hello everyone. Hello. Good morning. Is I audible? बोलते तो नहीं है यार. Is I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now today I will start that. Okay, nuclear physics. In this one, lot of things you know. Okay, lot of things. Okay, just I can say कि we will do just a revision only in this. Okay, this chapter for chemistry. Okay, not all. Okay, whatever small portion of that chapter. Okay, nuclear. This chapter is also called nuclear chemistry also. Okay, that you studied I think in this year also. You told कि this year only you studied. Okay, therefore just revision only. Okay, therefore this will not take that much time, but you have to do more practice. Okay, lot of practice problem. Acha, before going to this one, okay, then please whatever till now I given to you, okay, just please revise. Okay, revise and just see previous year question papers also. Don't do okay without seeing previous year question paper, please. Now you reaches to that stage कि now you should everyone, not only you, okay, everyone is required what just see previous year question paper so that you can make your own strategy ki how things are coming. Okay, now just like yesterday I discussed, okay, some problems I given. If you have any doubt you can ask also. Okay, acha, one more. Suppose that previous year only, okay, one problem they ask, okay, from communication system, and after that I will start our this chapter. Okay, the current chapter. If suppose that they given to you am sine omega t, this is which wave? Message wave. Okay, and if they wrote here AC into sine omega c into t, okay, and this is one wave, I can say this is supposed to be y1 and this is y2. So this is carrier wave and this is called modulation wave. Okay, so can you write what is the resultant wave? Okay, I given direct. I given direct. So remember that one also, because when 2019 they asked this question, but instead of sine they ask cos. This will not matter. You know how to convert cos into sine. Okay. Now therefore, if I said to you कि what is the resultant, so in this one it will be am. Okay, sorry, AC plus am into sine omega m into t into sine omega c into t. Are you don't know how I wrote? Remember direct, sir. I told already na कि double differentiation or okay lot of things are required, therefore now finally you will get. So one question they asked in JEE main 2019 कि this, but instead of sine they are given cos, so everyone know कि how to convert cos into sine, that's it. Okay, so this kind of questions generally they are asking in JEE main exam. Okay, because this syllabus is for JEE main only. Okay, no advance. Now this chapter what I will discuss. Okay, therefore please just if you have previous year question paper, if you don't have, I think just google it. Okay, a lot of thing puri complete PDF they will give. Okay, just download and please practice. Okay, because if you practice previous year question paper, it will boost your confidence. Really I am saying, okay, definitely this is the things that will boost your confidence actually. So therefore more practice should be on previous year papers, and after that you can just support that modern physics completed till now. Okay, well, to nuclear chemistry lot of things already you know. Therefore anyhow I will discuss, okay, each and everything, but fast I will discuss, not just like okay I will not give lot of time. So now you reach at that state your syllabus is approximately completed. Okay, approx your syllabus is completed only. Therefore what you will do next? Therefore suppose that those, suppose the modern physics, okay, one portion is there and everyone know. Okay, in our time also when it was 360, so every time there are saying 4 to 5 questions. I'm saying, not number. 4 to 5 questions. For you people I think it is 3, so I can say 3 to 4 questions generally compulsory they will ask. Okay, so sometimes they may ask 4 to 5 two also to you. Okay, but 3 to 4. So this much important this chapter is, it is actually. Okay, and very easy. Whatever I said to you in class notes, if you focus on that one, I can say ki you will able to give all answer, approximately not all, compulsory from. Okay, out of 500% I already, okay, okay, promise to you you will able to give 4 answers. Okay, therefore you can check class notes and see previous year question paper till now what they ask. Okay, and you will find out of 4 to 5 you are able to solve. Now you are able to solve 100%. Okay, but whatever it will come, so one question will be some conceptual maybe. Okay, but anyhow you are able to solve. If you are conceptual clear, you are able to solve even all questions. Okay, this kind of that level, this chapter is important. Therefore, what is your responsibility to do with this chapter? It is don't leave just like that. What you leave all chapters. Okay. Therefore, what you should do now, I SCV whatever I should discuss, I discuss. Okay. Now for nuclear chemistry also, anyhow I will discuss. That also I will discuss. Okay. But I think whatever chapter I cover, photoelectric effect, that discussion completed. SC that one, X-rays completed, atomic structure completed. Okay. Semiconductor completed. So this discussion also from SCV completed. If you have any other material, okay, just go and solve these materials. Plus first more focus should be on what? Previous year question paper. Please, again I'm saying, again I'm repeating. Why? Because this will give idea if from where they will ask question to you. This is the reality I'm saying. Okay. Therefore, please just go and start solving previous year question paper. If you have any doubt, just please, okay, say to me at that time also, and you can WhatsApp me also. Okay, sir, this I have doubt. Okay, can you send? Definitely I will tell. Okay, but please now you have responsibility at least, because here it is a very easy also. Okay, and high possible. Suppose that if I talk about other chapters, suppose the kinematics I talk, so one question suppose that they are asking, so it is not 100% fixed they will ask one question from kinematics, but from here this chapter I can say with confidence it compulsory they will ask 4 to 5 questions from here. But this is that kind of important chapter. Other chapter I cannot predict actually. Generally they are asking, but here we can predict they will ask from here. So you people know also they will ask from here. Then why you are just okay? Therefore make it this much strong. Okay, my guarantee if you just those who attend my class, okay, you just go and solve Singhese, DC Pandey. Okay, you will see ki you are able to solve approximately 99 to 5% questions. Percent I'm saying 90 to 95% questions directly. Okay, with my class notes on. Really, this is the guarantee I'm taking. Okay, so same thing they will ask in real J main exam also. Really, they will not going to change. They will not ask that much tough questions. Okay, they know their what your foundations. Therefore, similar kind of question they will ask in where in J main exam also. Therefore, please don't leave this chapter just like that. Okay, over modern physics over. Okay, leave just like that only over. You people just go and just start. Okay, previous year question paper. If you have a CV completed, the other materials if you want. Okay, you have DC Pandey. Okay, DC Pandey also approximately you can check it will be completed. DC Pandey. Okay, and after that you have Singhese if you want. But most first SCV if you have DC Pandey. Okay, if you the previous year question paper, if you want you can move to other chapters. First do this kind of things. Okay, more focus should be on previous year question papers. Now I will start. Okay, just a minute. I will check how many. Now listen, everyone. I will start here. Okay, nuclear physics. Okay, which physics? Nuclear. Nuclear physics, because it is our physics. Therefore, I will say it is physics. Generally, it is also say nuclear chemistry also. But more important word is nuclear. Okay, so in this one, nuclear means okay. Anyhow, what we have to study about, more focus should be on key stability about nucleus. I can say. Okay, what is going on? Okay, in nucleus. Okay, what each and everything. What I will discuss that you will realize at the time. But most of things you know. What you know, everyone. Suppose that this is our okay nucleus. Okay, I already discussed in atomic structure chapter. Okay, who discovered nucleus? You know, okay, Rutherford. What Rutherford did? He just taken okay small thin foil sheet of golden okay gold foil, and after that they bombarded alpha particles, and after that what happened? They realized ki only small portion is there. Ki when okay there one particle was coming, and after that it just returned back. Okay, and all a lot of portion okay they just came without undeviated. So it means he said ki there is a one part here. Okay, and because this particle is just returning back, it means compulsory this also positive. Therefore after that each and everything discovered ki here it is nucleus. Okay, it is nucleus. So this is the electron is revolving around that. Okay, so if I talk to you, the radius of okay radius of atom will be approximate 10 power minus 10 meter approximately. If I talk what is the radius of this nucleus, so approximately 10 power minus 15 meter, this kind of things. Okay, so if I this everyone know yaar, you may think sir what you are saying I know already, but just revision those who don't know for them actually I'm saying. Okay, it is a it is sorry, it is Z. Okay, if I say is, so this is the atomic number, this is mass number. Okay, and one more thing, if I say number of proton, can I say number of proton equals to number of electron? Is it correct word or wrong word? Number of proton equals to number of electron. In any atom, number of proton equals to number of electron. It is correct or wrong? बोलोगे ही नहीं तुम लोग. अबे प्रवचन नहीं हो रहा, बता दो थोड़ा सा, तुम्हें पता होगा केमिस्ट्री में. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. हाँ, करेक्ट वर्ड और रॉन्ग वर्ड? रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट? आर यू एबल टू लिसन? अब क्या बताए तुम लोग, बताना ही नहीं चाह रहे हो. हम चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर देंगे, सही बता रहे. नाउ इन एनी एटम नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इट इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग? से ना समथिंग.
करेक्ट सर.
तो बोलते क्यों नहीं यार, मतलब कैसे बैठे रहते यार, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. एक्चुअली इट इज when it is neutral na, then only it is correct actually, otherwise it is not correct. When it is neutral, then only correct. If I say here plus 1, it means one electron removed. At that time you cannot say number of electron equals to number of proton. Okay, that is extra style मानने के लिए पूछ रहे खाली, आसान आसान चीज, otherwise say you know already. Okay, so but हाँ, you know already, but actually I have that much experience. Okay, generally your seniors only. Okay, those who just pass out. One student came, okay, to me. He said, what is the difference between weight and force? Okay, that difference, that person was asking, sir, what is the difference between weight and force, sir? What is this, these two quantities? So I surprised ki that person, okay, that syllabus completed. Now at that time they're asking, it means that required from, okay, basic things that person is required actually. Okay, it means he did not attend that much classes also and not listen properly classes. Okay, for them, if any, okay, वैसे कोई महारथी हैं, तो for them actually I'm saying. So this is called, okay, number of, it is atomic number, and that will be equal to number of proton. Okay, and this is called mass number. Okay, so in this one, if I say what is the number of neutron, so A minus Z will be number of neutron. Okay, these things everyone know actually. If I say what is the nucleon, nucleon means it is called number of neutron plus proton combined, it is called nucleon. Everyone know this one, I think, in chemistry. It is combined, it is called nucleon. Okay, neutron plus proton combined, it is called nucleon. Okay, अच्छा, one more thing that you should everyone know यार, बस ऐसे खाली बोलते चले जा रहे हैं. See, everyone know कि mass of neutron, mass of proton. Okay, mass of neutron, mass of proton, mass of, okay, electron, because these things will be used in this chapter. Therefore I am saying to you, because we already used, okay, this one, but anyhow at that time again I can ask to you. Mass of alpha particle, okay, mass of beta. What is beta? Everyone know it is nothing but electron only, but the beta is of two types, beta plus, beta minus. Okay, that I will discuss in beta decay. अरे chemistry में पता है ना, beta alpha decay, beta decay, gamma decay. Okay, these things based upon this one I am saying. Okay, and after that one more thing. Okay, what is one atomic, one AMU, one AMU, what is this? It is called atomic mass unit. Okay, so what is this one atomic mass unit? That is also equals to mass of proton or neutron only. How much one atomic in terms of kilogram? 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So this is one atomic mass unit. These things will be used. Okay, so everyone know already this one, but again I am saying, so sometimes they may use terminology, what is the isotopes, what is the isotones, okay, what is the isobaric. These things everyone know ki isotopes means, okay, what should be the same, what isotones means what should be the same, neutrons should be the same. These things everyone know. Okay, just revision only. Okay, now see, listen everyone. If suppose that if I say, I think that must not be used. If I say in 1 mole, in 1 mole, okay, if suppose that 2He4 in 1 mole, now, okay, mass of helium atom, okay, in 1 mole mass of helium atoms will be how much? In 1 mole mass of helium atoms will be how much? बोल दो. I think if you know 2He4 is, okay, helium, Okay, therefore, what in 1 mole mass of helium atoms will be how many? Wait, tell me, wait. अरे कुछ तो पता होगा.
4 grams.
हाँ, 4 ग्राम. ये अब बोल दो यार, ऐसे लगे कि आता है. I know if you just start checking, if it's not offline class, if I start checking na, I know okay, there will be some Marathi. Okay, they are not able to say it is 4 grams. They will say I don't know. Okay, remember this ki, remember means you know ki how you got this one. Okay, now acha, one more thing that you should remember what I'm going to say right now. Where A is mass number. I think everyone know this one also. I think in chemistry, sir told. Okay, so if what is the R naught value? 1.1 into 10 power minus 15 a power 1 by 3. Okay, and that will be in meter. This sometime in JEE main exam they may ask question from here. Okay, what is the radius of nucleus? So what is R equals to R naught a power 1 by 3? Sometime it is okay direct question they may ask. Okay, sometime okay they may give mass number and they may ask what is the radius of that nucleus. Okay, this kind of things you should know this one. Okay, now if I say density, so everyone know density of nucleus. Density of, okay, so density is equals to how much? Density is equals to how much? Mass by volume. Okay, density is equals to how much? Mass by volume. Therefore, what is the mass? Mass is the, suppose m in a into what 1.6. Okay, just converting the same unit AMU only. Volume is how much? If suppose that we assume nucleus is spherical, therefore how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube means this 1.1 into 10 power minus 15 a power 1 by 3 whole cube. So if you take whole cube, so it is a power 1 by 3 to 3 will cancel and a will also get cancelled. So approximately you will get 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube. If you see how much dense actually nucleus is, you can check 10 power 17 kilogram. It is nucleus, not atom. I am saying nucleus. I wrote here also. So this is 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, this is actually, if you see, listen everyone very carefully. If lot of portion in any atom is not empty, okay, therefore you know what, I will not able to lift even this chalk piece also. This is a reality. See how much dense it is. If suppose that if I said to you, this is suppose that atom, if atom there is no space, every all space is okay occupied by nucleus. Therefore everywhere, I think in this chalk piece, or even though suppose that I have that clock, okay, that watch, okay, and this one what watch also unable to okay lift this one. Why? Because if see how much dense it is. 1 meter cube is how much? 10 power 17 kilogram. That much dense actually. Okay, therefore, and water density 10 power 3. You can compare with that one. Okay, steel density 1700 kilogram per meter cube. See, suppose that if I given 1 meter cube by 1 meter cube steel block, we people be unable to okay lift that block. Okay, if suppose that even complete atom is made up of that nucleus, you can imagine we cannot even lift this chalk piece also. Okay, that much kind of weight of that become. But anyhow everyone know कि lot of portion in atom is what? Empty space. Okay, therefore what happened? कि only a small portion, very small portion is this nucleus, and that density is this one. Not a lot of it is empty. Only this is have this density. How much? 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube. So is this is any is it fixed for all atom? Yes, it is fixed for all atom. Why? Because see here it is independent of A. You can check because A will also get cancelled. Therefore, density with A every atom, either neutron, oh, sorry, either hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, anyone. How much density? 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube. Everyone. Okay, why? Because this is independent of okay. If you want, you can write down also. Otherwise, I will start some other things. Please don't leave. This is also important thing. Okay, what I am discussing, and after that, what I will discuss. But this chapter is in both. Okay, mains also and as well as advanced also. This chapter you can write also on that chapter. Okay, both mains and advanced both. I think completed. Now listen. Now see. Everyone know about nuclear force. See, in this one, I'm not going to tell you what is the nuclear force actually. Okay, one force is there. It is short range force. What is the meaning of short range force? That will activate. Okay, I think it will work when distance between neutron, okay, or proton is very small. This separation is in angstrom, I can say. Okay, that then only this force will work. Okay, why? Listen, everyone, very carefully. You may think, sir, a neutron. Okay, if you talk about gravitation force, okay, maybe some significant force will be there, or if you just forgot about neutron, there will be proton will be there or not? Proton, okay, and proton, these has charge, this one also has charge, plus this also has plus. Sir, they should repel now. So when they will repel, then why nucleus will be stable? Okay, but definitely they will repel. Practically they should repel, but because they are that much close, one force will activate. Which force? It is called nuclear force. Okay, how? Please see. If I talk, if you want, you can write also in your language. This is a short range force. Okay, and it will, okay, become significant when distance between, okay, any two these particles. I think particle means you can say neutron, proton, or any these two. Okay, therefore distance becomes very small, then only this force will become significant. How? Please see. If I talk, this is a neutron, this is the neutron. Okay, so because I already, acha, nuclear force, this is attractive force, this is attractive force, attractive force. Here neutron, this is also new. Okay, nuclear force, this side also nuclear force. If I talk, this is the neutron and this is the proton, this side also, this side also, which force? Nuclear force. This side also nuclear force. If I say this is the proton, this is also proton, which force? Nuclear force. Nuclear force. Okay, so if I talk, but because this is the proton, this is the proton, this side which force will act? Electric force will also act. This side which force will act? Electric force also will act. Okay, now in this one, what if I say which force is greater on which particles? Neutron or neutron proton or proton proton, in which case force is acting maximum or more. Okay, therefore if you want to arrange in, okay, increasing or decreasing, you can arrange. Okay, nuclear force between neutron, okay, that is equals to nuclear force between neutron proton, because no electric force, but that are greater. Why? Because if you see here, net force become less actually. Why? Because nuclear force this side and this side electric force, so net force become, okay, less actually as compared to this force. Therefore what I can say, force between proton is less. Okay, this is the reason. What is nucleus? Okay, they are not leaving. Oh, proton. Why? One more force came, that is actually impractical. If you talk in normal day to day life, if you talk, that force will be activated when I can say distance between, okay, these particles, neutron proton, is very small. Okay, then only that force is activated. Okay, this was observed. Now one more thing, what is, see, see everyone, if I talk, okay, this suppose that neutron, suppose that proton, and this also proton. Okay, if I say to you, if they are at infinite distance, which distance? At infinite distance, then what is the potential energy between them? Potential energy between them, potential energy will be zero. Okay, you everyone know कि R become infinite. So potential energy between them is zero. अच्छा, that you got. But when you keep these two forces, P and P, very close, very close. Okay, therefore potential energy become very high. In other words, I can say infinite. What is this? Ki, it means it have more energy. Now, present time, if you have very high energy, it means then what happened? Why? Because listen again, they have potential energy zero. Here potential energy very high, but even though nucleus is stable, why it is stable? Why? If you remember, I already told. Anyone, if suppose that if they suppose this is a particle is there, if any particle is here, this particle have potential energy more, and this particle have potential energy less. Okay, so this particle will always try to come go towards what? Less energy. Okay, I can say towards low potential energy level. Oh, why? Because this is not stable. This is unstable, I can say. Same thing here also. Proton is what? Unstable right now. If we talk, okay, in general, but reality is what? If they are stable, it means one more energy is developed. Okay, between them that gets decreases. Therefore, resultant energy decreases. Sir, what is that energy? Okay, that I will discuss to you. Okay, that is called binding energy. Which energy? Binding energy. Okay, what is again? Listen, those who did not get, sir, what you are saying at that time. क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Now listen, this here potential energy is more. If potential energy is high, what happened? It becomes stable. But what happened? Why they are not? But why nuclear is stable? Why is this nuclear is stable? Why? It should be stable. Okay. There why? Because one more energy is there that gets decreases. Why it gets decreases? That I am going to tell you. Okay. If you want, you can write down this one. Otherwise, this write down. I think you wrote. In this one, if you want, please write down two lines in your language. Ki they are close. Okay, potential energy is very high, but even though it is stable, okay, it is stable because other energy, okay, that gets decreases. What is other energy? That I will discuss here. Okay. Write down first. I think you wrote. Please write down two lines.
Sir, you muted yourself.
वो जानबूझ के म्यूट किया, वो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा था ना बाहर। Completed. After this, okay, right here, this one. Completed. Completed. If not, then please listen, and after that, right? Everyone, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, आप सुनते हैं. Okay, you know or not these things in from chemistry? I think you know. बोल दो ना, in chemistry these things are there or not. चलो बोलते भी तो नहीं है. In chemistry these things was there or not? अच्छा, रहने दो तुम. क्लास बाद में बोलते हैं, तुम लोग बोलने नहीं. Is these things there in chemistry or not? At least yes or no, you have two options. Okay, leave. We will take class tomorrow.